Using services and time entries. Linking services to time entries ensures your clients are billed accurately for the work delivered, while your team stays organized, efficient, and confident in every invoice they send. When you start a timer in TaxDome, one key step is selecting a service for your time entry. This links your time directly to a specific project and automatically calculates the value of that time based on the service's rate. You can either choose from existing services or create a new one. Edit the rate if needed. This won't change the service template itself. It will apply only to the current time entry. You can charge per item or per hour, but charging per hour is considered best practice for time tracking services. Selecting a service is essential because it not only helps calculate the time spent on specific projects, but also ensures accurate compensation for employees. For example, if you select a tax consultation service with an hourly rate of $150 and log 3 hours, TaxDome will automatically calculate the total as $450. You can then create an invoice from that entry without entering the amount manually. To ensure that employees cannot save new time entries without specifying a service, an admin or other responsible team member can make that step mandatory. Once this option is turned on, it will not be possible to save a time entry without specifying a service. You may need to review time entries for specific services, for example, for changing the rate. This way, you need to filter your time entries list and select the service you need. Now select time entries and edit them in bulk. For this example, you may want to increase the rate. These updates won't affect the service template or any future time entries using the same service. So if you also want to adjust the service rate for future time entries, you need to make changes to the service template. Let's increase rate in the service. Now when we create a new time entry based on it, we can see the updated rate here.